Hi. In this PhotoMesh tutorial, we'll show you how to create a quick ortho. Quick Ortho is designed for rapid orthophoto production. It uses terrain data from aerotriangulation to generate an optimized 2D terrain-based composite, up to 15 times faster than traditional workflows. Start by creating a new PhotoMesh project and loading your photos. On the Home tab, in the Process group, click Build to open the Build Parameters dialog. Select the Quick Ortho step. This configuration generates a terrain-based orthophoto composite with optimized 2D geometry and texture. Unlike true orthophoto, which uses the textured mesh, Quick Ortho automatically uses terrain data from aerotriangulation. When Quick Ortho is selected, the Reconstruction Quick Ortho Composite preset is automatically enabled and cannot be deselected. The build settings are simplified to show only relevant options. Next, select the orthophoto output format and set the properties, including raster resolution, image quality, texture blending, and the node data color. The photo priority determines what type of photos are preferred. The nadir direction option is recommended to avoid objects such as trees being textured from multiple photos taken from different directions. The used in reconstruction option is recommended when there are moving objects in the photos, such as cars, to avoid having parts of objects appear in different areas of the orthophoto. When ready, click Build to start processing your project. The Quick Ortho production is fast, up to 15 times faster than traditional workflows. Once the process is complete, you can review the results.